Justin1127 here, and this is something that I've never done, and I've been wanting to do this for quite a while, and that's of course a review on the Wii U. Now you've seen me play it multiple times on my channel, like we
Oh my god! What is going on? What was that? Who's dropping those metal pipes? Watch it!
Hey guys, just Wii U. Now you've seen me play it multiple times on my channel, like Wii Sports, Wii
It did it again! Oh my god! Why? Who's dropping them? Where was I? Oh yeah.
I haven't you reviewed it a couple months later. Well, I've been planning.
Ow! Ow! Oh, my head. My Nintendo!